Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we'll be comparing Trello with Odoo. So if you're looking for a best project management tool, you're on the right video. So let's get right into it. Trello is known for its simple Kanban board system, which is great for visual task tracking. It is highly customizable with power-ups, automation, and third-party integrations. It is ideal for small teams and also for built-in and startups. If you talk about pricing, so Trello basically comes with standard, premium, and enterprise pricing. Basically the basic plan is free and you can start it as it is. And me personally, I also use Trello for my things. So, but the starting plan is at around $5 per month per user. So moving forward to our Odoo, Odoo is, if you'll let me tell it, is basically a more advanced business management suite which offers more project management along with CRM, invoicing, and everything. If you talk about customization and every features, it basically provides a complete ERP system, including time tracking, budgeting, team collaboration tools, and if you need a basic task management, Odoo is more powerful for that. So, talking about collaboration, Odoo is built for scaling businesses, and you can also use it for multiple departments. Whereas, if you compare it with Trello, Trello basically focus on one task tracking. And Odoo has a free community edition, but its business features require a subscription. So, if you're on a budget and can't afford much, so Trello is cheaper, but Odoo is basically starts at around $0 for basic plan and it goes up to $10.9 per month right now. So if you ask me to compare both of them, so I'll say if you want a simple visual project management, Trello is best pick. But if you need for businesses that need advanced project management and ERP features, Odoo is a better choice. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.